How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change OSU file location. So doing this doesn't require us to head over to the folders section. You just have to actually open up the application in here, click on the huge OSU button. And by the way, I'm doing this on the latest version of OSU. Click on setting. And then once inside, you could simply navigate through general, which is going to be the first setting right here. Now you want to scroll down and there's going to be the installation option. You have the OSU folder and change folder location. Of course, you want to click on the second one, and in here you could just navigate through the folder that you want to change into. So let's say that I want to import my OSU into something like downloads or maybe desktop. You could just go ahead and click on it. In here, you then want to select the select directory, and from there you should be good to go. It will load, and after a couple of minutes it will then be finished. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.